I think it's definitely, again, like you said, interviewing is kind of the hard part, especially when you don't have a huge experience to start out with. I think that's where, again, having projects that you can show, whether that's, again, going on Kaggle or something like that and doing a project, like for your first job, you kind of just have to do whatever you can. Again, write some blog posts and put those on there. Do whatever you can do for side projects, because you just need to be able to talk through something. So having things that you can talk through and having those on your resume is probably the best things you can do, especially if it's your first, your first data science job. Once you have it and you've worked in data science for a while, it kind of flows naturally. But those first few examples are always hard, and so having some projects that you can talk through or something definitely needs to kind of be there. And again, if you can get an internship first, that's always something I would try to recommend people. Like, if you want to do data science, or even if you don't, go get an internship at a tech company of some kind if you can, because that also makes you stand out way more than just having nothing coming out of college.